Hello. Good evening, guys. We are riding towards an unexplored terrain in Bodoland, Kokrajhar district. Completely water, knee deep, fully off-road. All water, knee deep. Complete off-road. Undiscovered place. The location of the place cannot be disclosed because when it is disclosed, people will come, people will visit, people will destroy the place. High time National Geographic and Discovery Channel visit this place. Anybody watching from Discovery Channel, National Geographic Channel, contact me. Complete off-road, undiscovered place. Cannot disclose the name of the place. Another 30 kilometers left. Entire terrain is very hard to, maneuver. Very tough terrain. I can't even hold my camera properly. Okay guys, catch you later. Louis Tiger signing off.